Cucumbers grown beside scallions release a gentle aroma that naturally keeps pests away. Eggplants planted near chives stay healthier with fewer insects. Beans climbing alongside pumpkins grow in order, bear well, and never tangle. Peppers paired with tomatoes grow quickly, and planting them next to water spinach brings a steady, abundant harvest. Garlic sprouts flourish beautifully without any chemical sprays. Growing vegetables isn't about planting one at a time. The right pairing saves both water and effort. Plant 3 kinds in the same plot. Let them take turns growing. Avoid competition. Keep the soil covered and the seedlings thriving, and you'll enjoy rich harvests year after year. There are 4 must-avoid steps when growing cucumbers. Do you know them? Remember them well. They'll help you greatly. First, after watering to establish roots, hold off on watering again to encourage deeper growth. Wait until the first cucumber has set, before adding more water and nutrients. Second, when the cucumber reaches 8 leaves, remove side shoots, small buds, and tendrils below that point. No fruit should be left on the lower 8 leaves. Third, avoid fertilizing when the soil is overly wet. It can cause blossoms and young fruit to fall. Fourth, don't water during the hottest part of the day. Instead, water in the morning or evening. Have you remembered these if you want bigger harvests? Try these gentle watering tips. Add peppercorn water to Chinese cabbage. It deters pests, strengthens leaves, and boosts growth. Give peppers a small splash of rice wine. It helps prevent mildew and improves quality. Mix wood ash water for potatoes. It adds potassium, wards off pests, and supports plant health. Water tomatoes with a little brown sugar. One plant can yield an impressive amount. Use baking soda water for eggplants. It helps keep them healthy and pest-free. Add cola water to beans. They'll grow longer, more tender, and heavy with pods. Feed cucumbers with white vinegar water. They grow straight, crisp, and stay strong at the roots. Pour rice, rinse water on roof. You'll harvest them in abundance. Sprinkle salt water on cauliflower. It helps them resist stress and stay healthy. Spray beer water on leafy greens. Their leaves turn deep green and grow vigorously. Keep these tips in mind and use them often. A thriving garden will be no trouble at all. Planting vegetables from the same family season after season is called continuous cropping and brings more disease. Rotating with crops from different families is called crop rotation, and it leads to greater yields. Here's a planting rhyme to remember. Cucumbers after cucumbers yields will drop. Beans after beans growth will struggle. Radish followed by chili peppers. Yields soar. Lettuce after cucumbers. Enough to fill a cart. Radish after soybeans. Harvest above and below ground. Eggplants after garlic. Rich in flavor and loved by all. Watermelon after corn. Thrives in both sun and rain. Coriander after tomatoes. Plentiful results. Cucumbers after potatoes. Baskets and carts full. Spinach after pumpkin. A happy harvest every year. Topping corn is done in 2 stages. The first stage is right after pollination, when you remove the tassels. Many insects lay eggs there, and removing them helps keep pests and disease away. The second stage is when corn is about 80% mature, from 2 leaves above the ear. Cut off the upper stalk. This channels more nutrients to the corn, and also makes it more resistant to wind damage, so it stays standing strong. Beer mixed with yeast. Eggplant roots grow rapidly. Beer mixed with brown sugar. Leaves stay lush and green. White vinegar mixed with baking soda. Yellowing leaves recover. Brown sugar mixed with white vinegar. Eggplants produce abundantly. If it's hard to remember, save these tips for later if you're homegrown scallions. Start showing aphids or pale trails. Skip harsh sprays. Instead, prepare a spray bottle. Fill it halfway with clean water. Add 1 spoon of baking soda, 100 grams of vinegar, and 1 spoon of laundry powder. Shake well, then spray evenly over the scallions. Spray once every 7 days, 2 to 3 times in total, and the results will be excellent.